by Mo Willems. Gerald! Gerald! Sit! I am so happy! Today is the best day of the year! Today is free ice cream day? No, today is Happy Pig Day! Happy Pig Day? Yes, Happy Pig Day, the day of the pig. It is the best day to have a pig party. It is the best day to sing pig songs. It is the best day to dance pig dances. It is the best day to eat pig food. It is the best day to play pig games. It is the best day to say, oinky oink oink. That means Happy Pig Day in pig. Oh, I didn't know about Happy Pig Day. Look! Oinky oink oink! All my friends are here! Oinky oink oink! Oinky oink oink! That is a lot of pigs. Oinky oink oink! Oinky oink oink! Isn't this great, Gerald? Gerald? Are you okay? I'm sorry, Piggie. I have a trunk. I have big ears. I am gray. I do not have a snout. I do not have hooves. I am not pink. I want to say Happy Pig Day in pig, but I'm not a pig. I am an elephant, and I do not belong. Oh, Gerald. Happy Pig Day is not just for pigs. Happy Pig Day is for say to Dad? I say, oinky, oink, oink. Happy Pig Day to everyone.
Hey friends, thank you for watching this Read Aloud book with me. I hope you would have enjoyed it. I'm here to read all types of kids' books, including exciting and fun-packed storybooks to you every single week. Remember, friends, if you like reading these books and answering the quiz time with me, then please help to spread the word. Share this with all your friends, family, neighbors, teachers, and anyone else whom you think would love to watch these videos. You can also subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell button so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So friends, like today, I'll meet you all again in the next video. Until then, it's me, April, signing off today. Bye bye.